Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at a product that I found called Protein Ultra Thin Pizza Crust by Golden Home Bakery Products. And it's just a package of 3 pizza crusts. I tried this earlier. Didn't quite come out as crispy as I'd like, but I figured I'd eat it live. These crusts are made out of non-GMC enriched wheat flour, so they actually do have wheat in them. So it's not like another one of those regular ones that we see in the low carb world where it's made out of cheese or whatever. Unfortunately, these do have 8 grams net of carbs, so it's a little high, but I figured what the heck, we'll try it out. This is just regular generic Walmart pizza sauce and generic pepperoni. But this is the kind of thing, if you're looking for something that's super easy and you're beyond induction, all you got to do, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, slap some pizza sauce on your crust here, and this is the part that I didn't do last time, but it's kind of scary to me. You're supposed to put this directly on the rack, so we'll try it and see how it goes. You don't want to get too much sauce on here because it'll make it really wet and goopy. So you want to kind of make it a little bit thin. Both my boys work at a pizza place, so I'm sure they're going to tell me I'm doing it wrong. But at any rate, I'm going to slap my pepperonis on. I like my cheese on top, and I also like a lot of pepperoni, so I'm going to put lots and lots of pepperoni on here. Probably start a grease fire, but hey, that's what makes it fun, right? Kids, grease fires are not fun. That was a joke. Alright. Double layer this thing. Alright, that's ridiculous. This is back in here. Alright, and now we're going to put our cheese on. It's just shredded mozzarella from Sam's. I buy the giant bags because I use this a lot when I make crust. I make crust with mozzarella, which you can see. Alright, let's make just a big pile and hope that it doesn't ooze all over the... Actually, that's a good point. I will put a pan underneath it so that it doesn't mess up the oven. That will make my wife happy. Alright, so now we just slap this in there. It's a very hot oven. Okay. And it says, let's see, bake 8 to 10 minutes. So we will put it in for 8 minutes and see how we do. Be back in a few minutes. We're at 9 minutes now. I went ahead and let it sit for an extra minute. It looked like it needed a little bit extra work. So now I'm going to take this out. It says to put it on a cooling rack. So I'm going to do so. I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes. Let it sit for a couple minutes to stay crispy, and we'll be back and taste it when it cools down enough for me to not burn my mouth. See you in a few. Alright, let's take a look at this. You can see it's not as crisp as I would like. I like them real crispy. It's not horrible. Alright. As you can see, my toppings are ridiculous. But, go big or go home, right? So, let's try it. Tastes pretty good. Flavor is much more normal because it's just wheat, regular wheat flour. As far as a quick, easy option, that's great. It's better than the Totino's because you can put all the toppings of your own on there. It's not really that, doesn't take that long to cook either, so As far as prep, it's easy. Still not as crispy as I would like. Maybe if I would have let it sit for an extra minute, I would have done okay, but it was starting to brown a little bit around the cheese edges, and wasn't sure if I wanted to let it burn. Plus, I gotta eat lunch today. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please like and subscribe if you did. I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.